Hi everyone, I am Vikas. Welcome back to my channel infomorebox. Today I am going to share information about PhotoTent of Osaka and its size is 60 by 60. This PhotoTent comes in this packing. You can see Osaka branding is available on this packing. Now we are opening strip of this packing. This is Osaka 60 by 60 tent. These are 3 backdrops. One more backdrop of white color. If you are buying this product from Amazon, then it will cost you 1400 rupees. If you are going to buy from manufacturer website sonyaphoto.com, then you will get 10% discount on this product. If you are going to buy this product from the retail store of this company, then you will get additional 20 to 30% discount. Before I proceed further, I am requesting you to please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will receive camera accessories updates in future also. And please see this video till the end so that you will get all the information about this product. Let's start with unboxing of this product. Please find the buying link in the description box. Now we are opening the different multicolored backdrops. First you can see blue color backdrop. Next you can see black color backdrop. Last you can see red color backdrop. The most famous color is white, which we use for e-commerce. Now we are unwrapping the photo tent. Check out how it's looking around all the corners. Please watch carefully how you can close this tent. Hold it from the both sides and close it from inside. Let's how to turn it off once again. With several re-attempts, you will learn how to turn it off easily. Now we will completely open the tent box. This tent has no lighting inside the box. Now we are using red background for product photo shoot. Velcro tapes are attached to this backdrop. Paste it properly inside the tent box. I'll be using Osaka continuous LED video light to light the product inside the box. On the both sides I am using the same light. And the camera I am using is Fujifilm X-T200. Clicking a picture of the toolbox for a sample. Result is properly exposed picture of toolbox. Now taking a photo of the camera bag. Properly exposed picture of a camera bag. Clicking a picture of spray bottle for a sample. Properly exposed picture of spray bottle. If you have any other technical queries and want more discount offer, then please call on the mentioned number on the screen, or you can WhatsApp on this number also. If you still have not subscribed this channel, then please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. If you like this video, then please give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching this video.